Creating an event website. Welcome to DownDoggy.com's tutorial teaching how to create an event website on your Printroom account. This tutorial presumes you've already worked on your Flash storefront and are familiar with group creation. What is an event website? An event website is a website for your customer's event that you yourself can build. They're surprisingly easy to create and can add substantial value to your business since they have a high perceived value to your customers. With Printroom's event websites, each bride could have her own web page. Each sport or sports team could have their own web page with scrolling slideshow images dedicated just to them. Event websites are created on the group level. Let's begin. Log into your Printroom account and click on the Edit button next to the group name. That done, look for the Create Web Page link about 11 boxes down and click on it. When the new page loads, you'll notice the event web page we're about to work on is behind Printroom's Event Website Builder tool. We can briefly move the tool aside to get a better look at your What You See is What You Get project. This will all look familiar to you if you've already created your Flash storefront. Let's click the Begin button and complete the URL. I've typed wedding events. I click Submit. It tells us the URL is accepted. This page will have its own address on the internet. If you wish, you could buy an inexpensive domain from DownDoggy and forward that domain to this address. Your customer will come to their own web page when they type the domain name in their browser window. Most of the time, your customer will come here from your storefront, however. Because I'm assuming you have already created your Flash storefront page, I'll only touch on the additional features Printroom gives you for your event web pages. For instance, your Flash storefront had only one line for a text logo. On the event web page, you have two. There is also a line spacing tool to arrange the two lines closer or further apart. The function for page color, slideshow images, slideshow style, film strip style, tab style, and contact information are identical to the same buttons on your Flash storefront. The user tabs and pages on step 9 are somewhat different, so let's click. You'll notice that event web pages have 5 configurable tabs. Photographers use these tabs to link to their main web page, list testimonials, event information, and other communications appropriate to the theme of the web page. If you do not need a tab, they're easy to remove. Let's remove tab 1. In step 10, you could decide either to have or not to have a search bar for your customers. Let's click. Searches can be done by file number, here called images only, or by the gallery name. You can also title the search window as you desire. Here I've typed search by last name, and that appears in the search window. Since we're in the group, the search will only be done for images and galleries or subgroup within this group. Lastly, in step 11, you have music, or the ability of uploading a sound file. I've already clicked Include Music, and I could choose from the dozens of rights release music that Printroom has made available for you. If you wish, you can also upload your own custom music in a MP3 file format, just keeping it under 4 megabytes of storage space. Not only music could be uploaded, but sound files too. Imagine your bride's delight when the priest or minister announces, "Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Roger Colby," and then the applause. Let's cancel this page. We're going to save changes and exit. Here's the Tools tab. Here's the Event Manager link. Let's click. From here, you could delete your event web page, publish it, continue to edit it further, or manage a brief email list to notify your visitors when their images are ready for viewing. Printroom will give you a really cool email capture ability under two conditions. When your event web page is published, but your group is not published, your visitors will see a voluntary email capture box that lets them know the images are not available for viewing yet. They will be asked to enter their email addresses to be notified when images are uploaded. Printroom allows you to capture up to 250 emails. Once you publish the gallery, you can notify these visitors in bulk that their images are ready for viewing by clicking to manage your email list, and then clicking on the Send Email button. You can see your captured email list down here in the list, and if you want to see Printroom's stock email outgoing message, you can do that from this tab. This concludes Down Doggy's tutorial creating an event web page on your Printroom account.